By understanding the color wheel, you can pick which colors to add or use in your pieces to create a well-balanced, exciting viewing experience. So start by dragging down your video. Further, click the video and go to color to adjust or correct the color. You start by adjust the white balance as shown on the screen, the temperature, the tint, vibrance, and increase the saturation to intensify the color as displayed in an image, and lastly, under the color you may sharpen it for smoothness. Now go to color wheel above. Color wheel comes with highlight, mid-tones, shadow corrections, and keyframe animations as shown above. Shadow includes the complement of the color of the light. So based on my footage, my focus is on the green vegetations. So I mostly move the nodes in the middle towards the green color a bit to get the right balance I want. You can also use the slider to lighten or darken it by moving it up or down as you see fit. Mid-toned colors are in the middle of the tonal spectrum, neither dark nor light. By eliminating tonal changes or contrasts, like shadows or bright light. So based on my footage, I drag the nodes towards green color a bit to get the right mid-tone color, and you can also use the slider to make other adjustment as you see fit. For the highlight, I focused more on the sky to give me a well-balanced perspective. Now go up to click on the side-by-side view to check the before and after preview to see the difference of your edits and probably to make adjustment if necessary. Before I go into how to animate color wheels, I just want to quickly make a before and after transition using linear mask. So you start by dragging down the original clip above the color corrected clip and apply mask. Select linear mask and animate as shown. Now let's animate color wheel using the video that was color corrected. Click the clip and go back to color wheel. You will see the keyframe animation right above. Click it and move the playhead frame by frame as you adjust and correct the colors until you are satisfied. Thanks for watching. You are awesome.